Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lana Cherie. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell because you won't want to miss when your girl posts. This is the dumbest trend that I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, why would you be sucking in your jaw? No, the boy gone crazy. Anyway, today we are back with another cooking video because Zare believes that he could cook
I do
everything at this point.
I can.
Everything. So we are putting him to the fried chicken test to see if he could cook fried chicken
and butter chicken
and actually make it taste good. Okay, so we are at Public. What do you need to make your fried chicken?
Well, for fried chicken, we're gonna need a free cookie just to get that mentality mentality mindset. And we're gonna need some chicken.
And what else?
I don't know, we gotta look
What you to cook with?
We're gonna need a frying pan.
Okay, we have a frying pan at home.
Yeah.
We have seasoning at home.
Wait. We need more seasoning.
No, we have seasoning at home, so we need the chicken. And what you frying the chicken in?
Flour.
We have flour.
Okay.
And what you frying the chicken in?
Here.
Oil. Oil. You need
So
oil.
we're gonna use oil to cook. Now let's go.
Oh gosh.
So guys, we have my chicken right here. Got my chicken.
You could just get chicken. Look at have drumettes over here.
What's drummets?
It's like party wing.
Are the wings like the ones that I have the
If the wing is a what?
if it's supposed to be like like this like this.
If that's what a wing like? So you don't know what's wings from drum?
No, I don't know.
The flat one is the wing. The drum?
I like wings more than drumsticks.
Who said that?
The flat ones are so much better because the big one you can barely chew off the front. So we gotta get the cookie mentality. So let's go.
You're gonna get no cookie. You're gonna get no cookie. When you're frying chicken, what kind of oil do you choose?
What's the
What? Okay. So guys, let me see. Which vegetable oil do you get?
I have no idea.
The issue now is that, you know, like those plastic bowls, I tend to buy the plastic bowls, but somehow to the bottom of them always end up like tearing apart, like cutting. I don't know if I buy them too cheap or what. So we have to clean and season the chicken in a pot. Yeah. Okay, you know, a little ghetto vibes ain't never hurt nobody. Disclaimer for my Caribbean people, I guess. I have cleaned the chicken off camera with vinegar and lemon water. We have water and vinegar and lemon in the water, and on the chicken. Clean it up. Whatever excess fat, see if you got any feathers. Make sure it's clean. The only thing that I will be helping with is frying the chicken. So I am going to put on the pot with some oil. This is an empty pot right now. I'm going to put on the pot with some oil so that the oil will start to heat up while he's seasoning the chicken.
It's just full of oil. So guys, we got the vegetable oil. As you can see, we used all of the vegetable oil.
Okay, so as I got the seasonings that you would like to use, we have black pepper, garlic powder, Larry's seasoning salt. No, cinnamon is not something that will be in the chicken. Why is he trying to put cinnamon in the chicken, guys? No, cinnamon is not in the chicken. He has paprika and Old Bay blackened seasoning. So my opinion is either this chicken can be super salt, but we'll see.
I forgot one thing, guys.
No salt.
First, we're gonna use some of the garlic powder because we need to use the garlic apple. It's gonna be kind of salty, but
Hey! Now rub it in.
on my hand.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, they feel like your lips. You feel weird.
You gotta rub it.
I can see my woo up in his glove.
Woo up didn't have on gloves when he do this.
Yes, he did.
No.
He need to go up and feel like your lips.
Stop and don't let your spit get on in this thing. Okay, what's the next seasoning?
You get some blackened.
What?
Blackened.
Blackened?
Yeah.
Hey.
Pour that in.
No, you is what seasoning the chicken.
Blackened ain't working, man.
How much are you really putting in there?
Make it taste good. Okay.
Okay.
No, just
You could put in some others before you mix it again.
paprika. Wait, no, not paprika. Let me use from Larry's seasoned salt. Oh, I opened it.
Hey, be careful heavy. That's salty now.
So, bro,
Put on this hand.
with that.
That's it? That's all that's on it?
Yeah. You want to put more? You're gonna put some after. Whoa, that's black.
Hey, no.
Oh, they got that size? What if I just pour the whole thing?
That. Hey. I don't know if this was a good idea, guys.
It's good. It's good.
Mix it together now.
Ooh, brother.
But you see the whole of the chicken ain't have on? Can I lend one helping hand? At least just one time?
No.
Okay.
Feel like
How do you feel about your seasoning on your chicken? Okay.
feel very, very.
Do you think the chicken is seasoned?
Nope.
Okay.
Put some more of this.
The
Yeah.
blackening is what you choose?
Yep. You gotta do the backside. What's that? Okay. Some of this. Guys say I can't cook. Watch this turn out to be some buttery things.
Hey. That's not funny to me. That's seasoned salt.
Don't like rock.
Okay.
I've been in business, bro. But I haven't put any paprika in.
As a
Paprika needs to be in, if you know what I'm saying.
oh Jesus.
What do you do with this paprika?
What you doing? What you doing?
What am I supposed to do with
The paprika have a lid.
Where is that?
I said twist it back on first of all. You got tell you don't be in the kitchen.
Yeah, don't.
And you're chickening up the seasoning cover.
Oh, it has a lid.
I don't know what kind of massaging the chicken.
Yeah.
As I just mix it with your hand, little old, not that kind of mix, not that kind of mix. Okay, let's fry the chicken now. Does not.
So you telling me you know everything else, but you don't put the
Okay.
butter?
So the alarm going off
Because you didn't put the fan.
because I didn't put a fan on, and now it gone to the smoke, and so here we are.
Oh.
So this is the chicken, guys. I don't know if you guys could see that good. And we are going to try it. We didn't have flour. I thought that we did, my bad. But when we came home, we did not have the flour. So we couldn't put it in the flour, so I just like fry it a little longer so it could be as crunch as possible. And now we are going to try.
Well, so I'll take this one.
How do you know that's the one we're going to take?
It's the one.
So this is the chicken.
You look like a food.
Let's go ahead. We even put a ketchup, nothing. Oh, hot.
Tastes good, tastes good, tastes good, tastes good, tastes good, tastes good. You can't lie. Rated 1 out of 10.
Okay, it tastes good.
Yeah! It's because of the paprika.
It's hot. You can see the steam. It tastes good. And you know me, if it had taste nasty, I don't let him know. But it's good.
I like the skin.
Okay, so he got fried chicken.
So rate this 1 out of 10? No.
I got more.
Okay, I get last one.
Tell me what you think about this chicken. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe.
Wait. Rate it 1 out of 10.
Oh my god!
You gotta rate it 1 out of 10.
I can't go!
Rate it 1 out of 10. 1 to 10.
I don't know how to rate it. I don't want to give a 10 and 12 up in here. And then you just be talking about, remember when I cooked that good chicken? Remember when? That's what he liked to do. You remember when the chicken had tasted so good? You remember when? I heard about it for days.
Okay, actually, I won't do it. I promise. Promise. Just rate it 1 to 10.
He really do good.
1 to 10.
Carl, I was a little nervous with the seasoning.
Rate it 1 to 10.
I rate it for 10. Because you could eat without having to put ketchup or anything on it. We got rice there.
I get the last one.
I mean, you see, it's still got a lot more.
Oh yeah, I still get the last one. This ain't no fail.
See you